Hi guys, my name is Lena Semenek and welcome to my channel Psychology of Happiness, where happiness is the purpose of life. Today's topic is how to make a man love you forever. If you did not see my video about how men fall in love, how women fall in love, because it's two different things, I will leave the link below this video. Make sure to watch it. Today's topic is how to make a man love you forever. I will tell you about 7 things, and it works with any man, any age, any nationality, any religion, any social class. So if you want to know how to make a man love you forever, make sure to watch this video till the end. So let's start. Rule number 1 is eye contact. You need to know how to keep eye contact with a man when you talk to him, when you look at him, when you say hello, when you say goodbye. You need to keep the eye contact. And eye contact will create an invisible connection between you and the other person. And you should not stare at him. If you don't know how, you need to practice. Seriously, you can practice with your neighbors, with your friends, with your pet. Like, don't practice with a man, right? Practice with someone that you feel more comfortable. Because when you look at your man, it should be natural. You should feel confident. You should feel comfortable. So eye contact will create this invisible connection on a deep, deep emotional level. It's very important to keep the eye contact when you talk to your man, when you tell him something important, when you ask him questions, when you tell him how much you love him, how much you admire him, when you say thank you, when you appreciate what he's doing. It's very important to keep this invisible emotional connection through your eyes. And even if you tell him something that you don't like, even you have some misunderstanding or some conflict, it's also very important to look directly into his eyes. This way you are telling him that you have feelings and he is important, and what's happening between two of you is important. Again, this will create an invisible deep contact on the emotional level. The second important step is to be happy and enjoy life. Any man wants to be with a woman who is happy, who can enjoy life, who has this joy and fun attitude towards life itself. It does not matter if you're drinking a tea, or if you're looking at the sky, or if you're just talking on the phone, or if you're watching a movie. You should express your emotions. You should show your man that you know how to be happy, that you can enjoy yourself, you can enjoy people around you, you can enjoy place where you live, city where you live, places where you go. A man wants to be with a happy woman, any man. So learn how to enjoy life and how to bring this happiness in everything you do. There's such a phrase as taste of life. And when you are eating, when you are talking, when you're walking, when you're dancing, you should show this taste of life. Show your emotions, show your inside feelings, and it will create some vibration around you, and this vibration will attract. You will be like a magnet of happiness, magnet of joy. So you will create association between you and happiness, between you and enjoyment, between you and fun, between you and joy. So he wants to be with you because he can get some piece of happiness from you. The third element is to be part of his life, to be included in his life. If you don't understand anything of what he's saying, for example, he's a scientist and he's telling you some theory, or maybe he is a businessman and he's telling you about the stock market or something complicated, and let's say you have no clue what he's talking about, still you can be included. You can say, wow, it sounds so smart. Can you please tell me what is it about? Wow, it looks like it's so important for you. Can you please explain to me? Or you can simply say, I don't understand. I see that it's important for you and I really want to know What is it? Can you please tell me? Can you please explain to me? What are you talking about? What is happening? What is this thing? What is that thing? What is it for you? And he will say, she does not understand, but she cares. She cares. She has curiosity in life. She wants to know. She wants to know what's happening in my life. Even this subject has nothing to do with her. Even if she is not even, close to the business world, or even if she is not even close to the scientific world, she cares. She wants to know. She wants to know about me, about my life. Wow, that's such amazing thing, this woman is incredible. And if you add the eye contact, if you add the taste of life, the enjoyment, the fun part, the happiness, then he will be saying, wow. He will just say, wow, and nothing else. He will be so impressed. Okay, let's move to the step number 4. The 4th step is your sexuality. So if you're gonna do the 3 steps that I said before, you're gonna be an amazing friend, an amazing sister, an amazing body, but it's not gonna be romantic. So if you want your man to fall in love with you, if you want him to love you forever, then you should add sexuality. How to show a man your sexuality? First step is to accept it within yourself. So if you think that you are sexy, if you think that you're attractive, then you should show it, present it to your man. You can say it with your voice, you can say it with your eyes, you can do it with your movements, with your arm movements, with your shoulders, with your hips, when you're walking, when you are talking. So when you have the eye contact, when you're bringing the joy and happiness, when you care about what's happening in your man's life, when you are asking a question, and when you add some sexual moments like a spark, like a spice, some spice to your conversation, some spice to your relationship, with your eyes, with your lips, with your hands, the man will be completely speechless. The man will be speechless. When you're gonna bring everything, he will fall in love with you forever. Every woman has its own sexuality. So for one woman it can be red lips, red nails, red purse. For another one can be fluffy things or maybe high heels. So find your sexuality. What's special about you in a sexual way? How you can show your sexuality to your man. What's your sexuality? Find it inside yourself, grow it, and then present it to the relationship. So there are also number 5, number 6, and number 7. Let's move on. The 5th step is to accept the man for who he is. The 6th step is to care about him, but to care about him not as a mother, as a woman. And the 7th, the last component, is to respect, appreciate him, and admire him. And I already have a separate video which is called What a Man Wants. I will leave the link below this video. Make sure to watch it. If you want to make a man love you forever, you should use all 7 elements. And I can guarantee it will work with any man, any religious, any age, any social class. Use them and you will see how effective and how beautiful it is. Because this gonna make you happy and your man happy, and you gonna build loving, caring, profound, incredible journey in your life. Share this video with your friends, post it on the Facebook, Twitter. Share your comments, question below. I would like to know, what do you think? How do you think we women can make our relationship better? What tools, what keys, what psychological instruments we can use, or knowledge? Let's share them. Share your thoughts. Write your comments. What your man likes. What do you do? Let's talk about it deeper. Let's investigate this subject together. Subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon to receive new videos that I release every week. And thank you for watching Psychology of Happiness, where happiness is the purpose of life.